Okay, today we're going to work with formatting text and fonts in lesson 6. So I open up the student file, W06 try, so that we can work with some of the font options that Microsoft Word has. There's 3 ways to work with font in Microsoft Word. First one is you got the shortcut up here in the font ribbon. You can click the dialog launcher and you can work with it here. Or if you select some font, the mini toolbar will pop up and you can work a little bit quicker that way. So first, let's just try some different things with the font. So the first thing, let's select the African Safari title and let's change that font through the dialog box launcher. So let's pop that up. The font dialog box will pop up. Here you got your font styles. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to choose Dotem. They're in alphabetical order, so I'll just scroll down here to see the D. There's Dotem right there. Click on that. I want to bold it and I want to make it 24. And I can scroll down and see 24, or I can type in 24 in the dialog box. Okay, and let's change it to a dark blue font. And then if I click OK, it's going to format my font. Let's change the paragraph font. So I'm going to select the entire paragraph. And this time I'm just going to use the shortcut menu. So I'm going to change this to, let's change it to Arial. And then let's change it to a typical 12-point font. Okay. And then this final one, I'm going to use the mini toolbar, where I'm just going to change this to Arial to keep it consistent. Oops. And then I'm going to move it to 12. Just to keep some consistency. Now some other options that you can work with. I'm just going to type in H20, or O for the scientific notation for water. Well, in your science class, you're going to have to, that the 2 shouldn't be written that way. It should be written down here in the subscript form. So if I come here and I click and select the 2, I can move this to subscript so that it's written below the line, so that it's written in scientific terms. Okay, and then if I have a math problem, and I need to write an exponent, I can go ahead and select that too, go back to the file or click on the shortcut menu right here in the superscript, and then it will help you write your scientific formulas that way. Okay. Another thing, that font that might be useful for you is the strike through. If you're editing someone's document and you would like them to change the word, you could put a line through it, and that can help notify someone that you're working with that maybe they should change the word. Okay. Another way, you can highlight words right here. Pick what other color highlighter you'd like to use. Okay. So there's a lot of different things that you can choose in Word and ways to change and manipulate the font.